Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. This video will be an unbox video from Teespring. Let's scratch today's unboxing. So I just received my package from Teespring. These are my merch on Teespring. After you watch this video, consider checking out my merch in the description down below. And by buying these merch, it will help me grow the channel and will help support me do amazing projects in the future for you guys. So thank you so much for everybody who has been supporting me so far until now. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what shirts I got, because I ordered 3 of them and I haven't checked which one I got. I want it to be a surprise. So the reason why I'm unboxing this one, particularly a t-shirt, right? It's not related to 3D printing. So the reason why I'm doing this is just to show the experience you're getting when you're buying t-shirts from Teespring, and how the unboxing is and the quality of the t-shirts. We get a receipt order here, and here's the t-shirt. It's in gray. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's this one. Wow, look at this, dude. This look crazy cool. It smells fresh. It looks exactly how I put it on Teespring. It just looks so beautiful. Look at that. This is a size medium. Let's see how this fits. Okay, it actually fits really nicely. Wow, look at this. Just look at that. It looks so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The quality, it actually feels really nice. I got my own merch. Let's go. I'm gonna be wearing all these shirts from now on for recording and stuff like that. It'll be amazing. Many more of these kind of t-shirts are coming. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, click the link in the description down below and get yourself some merch to help support the channel so I can do more projects in the future. And as always, keep on 3D printing.